Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this FreeCAD tutorial, I will show you how to model solid parts using the additive pipe feature in the Part Design workbench. Additive pipe creates a solid in the active body by sweeping one or more sketches along an open or closed path. Means you need one or more sketches for profile and another one sketch for path or guide. If the body already contains features, the additive pipe will be merged to them. Here you see the several ways to invoke the additive pipe tool and the steps how to create the solid part by using this tool. Select the profile sketch and then select the additive pipe tool. Select the sketch to be used as a path in the 3D view. Now, click OK button to apply. To use more than one cross-section, start with the first cross-section sketch as described above. Then, under Section Transformation, set the Transform mode to Multi-Section. Press Add Section, then select a sketch in the 3D view. Repeat for each additional cross-section. In the first example, I will show you how to create a solid part by using one profile sketch and a path sketch. Now, create a new sketch for the profile and choose the XY plane to sketch on. Choose Centered Rectangle. Enter the dimensions for the horizontal and vertical distances. Press Tab and enter the dimension for the vertical distance. Now, we have full constrained profile sketch, and click Close to exit the sketch. Now, it's time to create a second sketch. Select the YZ plane, which is perpendicular to the first profile sketch. Use the polyline tool for this and select it here. Click right mouse button twice to exit the polyline tool. Add the dimensions. Add fillet to create smooth curves on the vertexes. Click on both arcs and then apply an equal constraint to the arcs. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Now both sketches have been created. You can select first the profile sketch or the pipe tool. Select the additive pipe tool. And in Pipe Parameter window, select the profile sketch with the rectangle. Select Square Sketch from the tree. Now, add the path sections by clicking the Object button. And after that, select all one sketch from the tree. Now, the additive pipe or sweep is completed. Now, I will add fillet to the edges. The final step is to make it hollow. Click on the Thickness tool and select both end faces of the solid part. Enter 3 mm for the wall thickness of the duct. Please subscribe and share if you like this video. The next example is with 2 profile sketches and with 1 path sketch. Now create a new sketch for the first profile and choose the XY plane to sketch on. Choose centered rectangle and create a square. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Create the second sketch for the path and choose the XZ plane to sketch on. Use the polyline tool for this and select it here. Add the dimensions. Add fillet on the vertex. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. For the second profile sketch, first we need to create a plane which is perpendicular to the path sketch. On this plane, I will create the second profile sketch. Create a circle with 60 mm diameter. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Hide the plane. Select the Additive Pipe tool. You can first also select the first profile sketch. Add the path sketch. To add the second profile sketch, under Section Transformation, set the Transform mode to Multi-Section. Then, press Add Section. The last step is to select a sketch in the 3D view. As you see, we created one solid part with two different sketch profile shapes and one path sketch. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Pipe tool in FreeCAD. Please follow the other videos to learn more about the FreeCAD Sketcher and Part Design tools. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.